Well, hello folks, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to share with you something that I bought some time ago. So stay tuned to see what we got. So folks, I'll keep you in suspense no longer. This is what I got. Yes guys, I treated myself to GoPro Hero 8 Black. So I'm no longer GoPro virgin. And along with the GoPro Hero 8, I also brought myself the GoPro dual battery charger, and this actually comes with an extra battery, so it's a good deal. And it's actually a bundle, guys, from one of the big high street retailers. As I said guys, I bought it some time ago, so I doubt the bundle is available anymore. So originally I was going to turn this video into a bit of an unboxing as well, but having sort of looked on YouTube, there are loads of unboxings of the GoPro and the battery charger, so I thought instead of that I keep this video a little bit short and explain to you why I bought the GoPro. So guys, as I said, I want to make the GoPro the basis of my vlogging outfit. So in the past guys, I've actually used a smartphone to vlog, and you know, yeah, they work very well, but you know, not an ideal situation, so that's why I treated myself to the GoPro. But the problem is guys, as we are in the grip of the coronavirus, well, the whole world is in the grip of the dreaded coronavirus, a lot of stuff that I've ordered is it's just basically taken a long time to come, because there's a lot more important things to be delivered to folks, and a lot of other people have probably ordered things as well because they're sort of self-isolating and at home. So I'm waiting on a lot of the stuff to come. So I can't really sort of show you anything else, but I've got really two plans for the GoPro. I'm not going to really let you into too much of what I want to do, but the first thing I really want to do is I should just make the GoPro on some kind of selfie stick, so just to do the normal sort of vlogging style. But I've got another idea that I want to try with the GoPro for mounting it. But as I said guys, I'm waiting for a few bits and pieces to come, so I can't even show you or even try it to see if it will work. So for the minute guys, I can't really do anything else. So that's really it for this video. I'm hoping to get out and try and use a GoPro. I've actually filmed a little sort of tried it out and just made sure that it worked, and done the firmware update for it, but that's all I've really done, and I can vouch for the stabilisation is actually very good. Actually surprised me how good it was guys, but that's all I can really do for a minute guys. So as I said, this is going to be a very short video, and we will try and do another one when the bits and pieces arrive, whenever that might be. So thanks for watching this video guys, and stay safe, keep out of trouble, and we will catch you all again on the next one guys. So thanks for watching, and bye bye for now.